Right. Just gonna plate up, but I've always obviously done too much pasta. How does anyone ever judge pasta? Like, what the hell? Anyway, so we got pasta, and also, does anyone grate cheese think that's not enough and then grate some more, and then they're like, oh shit, that's no back, but the deeds is done then? Do you know what I mean? Anyway, so we're gonna go with some cheese. Cheese-a-rooney. You can never have enough cheese on pasta, that's the thing. And then we're gonna go with some curry sauce. Thick curry sauce. Oh my god, that looks an actual mess. Okay. And then more cheese. And then more cheese. Divine. Did I just get cheese in my cupboard? What have you had for dinner, guys? And if you haven't had something, have something. Something is always better than nothing. So go and get some. Ooh. What am I going to eat this with? Definitely a spoon, because I need to soak it up. Right, let's have a little... Oh, yeah. Do you know what? I wasn't going to put mayo in it, but I'm going to try one without. Lots of cheese. That's what makes it. I'm just going to put... Alright, just a little bit. That was little, okay? Maybe my New Year's resolution should be, like, stop using so much mayo. Like, use mayo, but, like, don't go crazy. Like, at this point, people think I'm a weirdo. Hey. Do you know what? Pasta's got to be one of the greatest dishes. Because you can just do so much with it. And before anyone's like... The Italians here going sick or whatever. I am actually half Sicilian. My dad is Sicilian, alright? And I don't think there's a rule book. I mean, I don't know. Blame the English side of me, I don't know. This is actually, you need a lot of cheese. It's like the curry sauce is like sunk into it now. Do you know what I mean? Absorbs it. That's nice. Right, I'm going to watch Emmerdale. Have a good evening.